This video provides instructions on how to use the Yarra Ranges Council GIS mapping system, which is also known as Intramaps, to display planning information such as the erosion management overlay for properties within the Yarra Ranges Council. It also demonstrates tools such as the measure tool, which can be used to determine if a proposal such as a pool or shed is located within an overlay. Firstly, to find a property, the property search function is towards the bottom left of the map display. Type in a property address and click Search. Once Intramaps loads the property, on the right-hand side the information panel comes into view. Now move the mouse cursor to the top left-hand side to the Modules panel and click on Planning Module. This now changes the information displayed on the information panel on the right-hand side and now shows such information as the zone and overlays applicable to the property along with the address and property size. And on the left-hand side is the Layers panel. The Layers panel allows you to overlay information onto the map, such as planning overlays, and in this video, the erosion management overlay. To do this, click on the plus icon next to the planning controls. Then click the plus icon next to overlays, and finally click on the checkbox next to EMO erosion management. This will now enable the erosion management overlay to appear on the map display in brown. Toward the top left of the map display, you will see the aerial imagery slider. This tool can be used to display aerial imagery by sliding the circle to the right. You can also adjust the opacity of the aerial imagery by sliding the circle back and forth. Once you have adjusted the aerial imagery so that you can see both the erosion management overlay and the imagery, you can use the measure tool to measure the distance from the edge of the overlay to a development's proposed location. The measure tool is located towards the top of the page in the toolbar under Tools. Click Tools and then click the ruler icon, which is the measure tool. This will then enable the measuring tool pop-up box, which will display the distances you have measured. Before using the measure tool, it may be beneficial to zoom in on the map display to get a better view of the areas you want to measure. To do this, use the plus icon next to the aerial imagery tool to zoom in and the minus icon below to zoom out. To measure, click on the first point at the boundary of the erosion management overlay, and then click the second point to the location of the proposed development. This will display the distance between the erosion management overlay and the location of the proposed development.